So I've been involved in very advanced work, and I'm very hardworking. I work hard every day and study and learn and work and interact with others. Just like you and many other people. The key is that, again, we go back to the ideas of applied neuroscience to your own mind and your own lifestyle. One of the key thing is that you should have intrinsic reward for something, not just extrinsic material reward. And also reward in the process itself rather than the end goal. And I think it's important to love learning, and there's a process to learning to love learning. And one of the main thing is that you need to identify very clearly the pragmatic utility of learning in your own mind. But also because, of course, any knowledge may not be apparent how useful it is to you right now, but there is value to any knowledge because it could potentially help you solve problems in the future that you don't expect. So there's the potentiality of there's the apparent usefulness versus the actual long-term general purpose potential utility of knowledge, and that is what you should concentrate more on. I think, especially we look at applied neuroscience in educational settings, or clinical settings, or pretty much any setting. So that's very important. Yes, and of course, you always have and should always be very critical and self-critical of these methodologies that you employ to investigate the world around you, looking at the kind of built-in problem advantages and disadvantages of each methodology, of each technique, and actually have quantified metrics for those. This is the kind of scientific and data-driven mindset that I think anyone should have, and that you can use to your full advantage in pretty much everything that you do. So